All right, you filthy beast. Drop it.
Mother.
Easy, boy. Easy. Sorry if the filthy beast remark came off a little harsh. I meant it as a compliment. You know, like, look at that filthy beast. I like to party with that guy. Oh, come on. You don't want to hurt me. I'm a sweet guy. Not sweet as in delicious, just sweet as in my personality. Everyone who knows me says I'm extremely tender. I mean, tender nice. Not like my meat is tender, although duck meat is one of your more tender meats. Oh no, I've said too much. Yeah! Animal control. There's a monster in my house that's trying to kill me. What are you doing out here? You're supposed to be watching Poochie. Poochie is a psychotic monster! He hunted me like I was his prey! If you don't want to watch the dog, just say so. You can't go in there! It's a death sentence! We gotta sell the house! Start out new! This neighborhood's a bummer anyway! Wait. Since this is the last time I'm ever going to see you alive, there's a few things I need to tell you. Remember that time someone ate all your Halloween candy, and I said it must have been aliens? It was me. And remember that time someone ordered all those pay-per-view movies, and I said it was aliens? That was me, too. And remember that time you were abducted by aliens, and I insisted it was me? I lied. It was aliens. Poochie, I'm home. A gruesome tragedy is gonna make it a lot harder to sell this house. Ah! My glamour shot! Ah! My tennis trophy! Ah! My glamour shot of my tennis trophy! No!
Hey! What's going on out here? We're trying to celebrate my niece's quinceañera. It's a special day and you're ruining it. Now please, Senor Bunny, keep it down. What is that thing?
He's my dog.
Oof, if you say so. But that's one ugly dog.
How did you do that?
I simply asserted my place as the alpha dog. Sit. See? He's calm, because now he knows I am not afraid of him. Down. Roll over. You see? You need to be the alpha dog to him.
Alpha dog, huh?
One disclaimer. This stuff works on dogs. And I'm still not convinced that that's a dog.
What is wrong with everyone? He's obviously a dog. Good boy.